Well team, welcome back to Adventures with Rosy. It's time for our first trip away.
Let's do it! Well, yep, we drove 10 minutes down the road from our house. We are at the Lake Taupo NZMCA Park, which is the New Zealand Motor Caravan Association, located here at the Taupo Airport. So a pretty cool spot for Harvey, lots of choppers and planes to check out. Our main reason for staying close to home was we need to check out everything works in here. We've never used a bunch of the systems in the caravan, never leveled it out. So test run for the night before we go to the beach next weekend. Well, here we are, all set up. That setup wasn't too bad actually. Probably need to carry around some blocks of wood to help level out the old stabilizing legs. They're a new thing to get the hang of, but they seem alright. Here we are, slightly downhill, so that's right, we'll flip Harvey's bed around so his head's uphill, should be fun. One other thing we also have now is Adventures with Rosy stickers, bumper stickers on waterproof PVC, little vinyl stickers. If you want one of those, jump over to Facebook and hit us up, message us your address, and we'll post them out. They're pretty choice. Well, our first night now complete. Everything was going well last night until we went to turn the heater on. So got quite cold here last night. We went to turn the diesel heater on. It blew cold air out twice and then displayed an error code. So I checked the error code and it said that there was something wrong with the fuel line. So 10:30 at night, I crawled under the caravan and actually found whoever installed the diesel heater, the fuel pipe came up into the bottom of the heater right next to the exhaust pipe for the heater. So as soon as the heater got hot, the first time it was turned on, it just melted the pipe. So I had to pull some slack through in the pipe, cut the fitting. Luckily I had some tools in the front, and I was quite stoked. I managed to fix the heater, cut the burnt bit of pipe off, fed some more through, and it worked like a charm all night. So I was pretty chuffed with myself, but a DIY. A little bit frustrated you have to do that on a brand new caravan, but at least I know what to look for in the future. Cool, we're off to look at some more planes today, and there's a little cafe here at the airport in Taupo. I'll go and see if we can get a coffee.
rhymes. What this one called?
What is it?
Man, doggy. Then
Hey everyone, pretty good weekend all in all. We had a good time here at the Taupo NZMCA Park, and we've got a list of things that we need to get done to make it a bit easier for us travelling going forward.
Yeah, mildly annoying about the heater, but I might get a spare one of those hoses, I think, in case it melts in the future. But other than that, everything worked fine, which was good, which is what you expect the new caravan. So next weekend, long weekend, we're off to the beach. Can't wait. We'll see you then.
See ya.